Hi, hello, this is your Lucky sir. We are in NEET series now. NEET exam is in the month of July 2022. This is in 2022 NEET preparation purpose. This particular videos, a series of videos. I would like to give you some 10 grand tests. Okay, now these are of Sri Chaitanya papers. You can check all this. Okay, Sri Chaitanya means a standard paper. You can check all this. Noradrenaline is neurotransmitter, memory based. It functions in brain and body as a hormone. The bond order of NO is 2.5, while it in NO plus is 3. That means bond order is increased. When bond order increases, bond length decreases. Bond order inversely proportional to bond length. So your option will be bond length in NO is greater than NO plus. Which of the following sets of the carbohydrates contain all reducing sugars? It's completely memory based. That is maltose, lactose, fructose. The number of oxygen atoms in 4.4 grams of carbon dioxide. First we find out number of moles. Number of moles is equals to 0.1. Then number of molecules 6.023 10 to the power of 23. Each molecule contains 2 oxygen atoms into 2. 0.1 into 6.023 10 to the power of 23 into 2. Your answer will be 1.2 10 to the power of 23. You can check. Kp of a reaction at 300 Kelvin is 6 atma and 2 atma at 450 Kelvin. Which of the following statements is incorrect? Incorrect about this reaction. If delta N is equals to 1, delta N is number of moles of products minus number of moles of reactants. And here the point is, which is incorrect statement? Activation energy for the forward reaction is more than that of backward reaction. This is a incorrect statement because when it is exothermic reaction, exothermic means it will be like this. So this is forward activation energy, this is backward activation energy, EAB. So forward reaction is more. This is a wrong statement. When it is exothermic reaction, activation energy of backward reaction will be more. How can we say? You can say 300 Kelvin, it is 6 and 2 atma at 450 Kelvin. Clearly indicating as the temperature increases, Kp value decreasing. As the temperature increases, Kp decreases means that is exothermic reaction. Good question, very good question. 156. At 25 degrees Celsius, the pH of water is 7. When temperature of water is increased to 70 degrees Celsius, then pH of water and nature of water is. Whatever the temperature is, nature of water is always neutral. Nature of water will be neutral, but pH will come down because at 25 degrees Celsius, H plus and OH minus product is equals to 10 power minus 14 mole square per liter square. But as the temperature increases, this value will increase. Increase means the power decreases, like 10 to the power of minus 12, 10 to the power of minus 13. Like that, the value increases. That means when it is 10 to the power of minus 14, H plus is equals to 10 to the power of minus 7 and pH will be 7. In these kind of cases, the H plus concentration will be approximately 10 power minus 6 like that. Just like a average, some example value I am saying. So pH will become 6. At 90 degrees Celsius or at 100 degrees Celsius, at 70 degrees Celsius, pH is equal to 6 doesn't mean that it is acid. Okay, now there it is neutral only. So pH will decrease, but the sample will remain neutral. Good question, good conceptual question. 157. The aqueous solution of sodium cyanide is NaCN, which is made up of sodium plus and Cn minus, means coming from sodium hydroxide, a strong base, and HCN is a weak acid. So when it is weak acid, strong base, definitely it must be basic. H2O2 plus O3 gives us H2O plus 2O2. Good. H2O2 plus H2O gives us 2H plus H2 plus O2. Again, O2 is coming out. So in these two reactions, it is functioning like a reducing agent because it is getting oxidized, -1 to 0, -1 to 0. In both the cases, it is getting oxidized, so it is a reducing agent, option 3. Coming to 159th question. Property of the alkaline earth metal that increases with increase in atomic number is. Property of alkaline earth metals means beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, and all these. their hydroxide solubility down the group increases. This is one very very important memory based point. As time is not much, we are not discussing each and every property. We are going with the right options. You can check if you want, just forward reward and you can check. Match the following. Okay, so here match the following is there. Options you need to check: white metal, sodium, lead alloy, cesium, and liquid sodium. Okay, so in this first option might, these are given in the uses. You can check in P black elements, S black elements, and all. Sodium and lead alloy is anti-knock derivative. Okay, now in petrol bunks you can see unleaded petrol. You can check this one. And photoelectric cells is by cesium. Liquid sodium is a coolant in nuclear reactors. Memory, complete memory based. In the complex of K2Fe, FeCN6, what is asking? The complex is the high spin. Cyanide is means high spin. It is not possible. We'll check this. Both iron atoms are in the same oxidation state. Let us see whether it is right or wrong. Yeah, K2Fe, exactly. Both are in +3 oxidation state. +3. Yeah. Yes, sorry. इधर उधर थोड़ा करना पड़ता है. I need to adjust it. The general trend in the properties of elements of carbon family means group 14, shows that with increase in atomic number, the tendency to show +2 oxidation state increases. This is called the inert pair effect. The last element, lead, shows +2 more stable than +4. The same you can expect in third group elements. Thallium +1 more stable than +3. So direct question, direct answer. Then coming to the next one. The condition for methemoglobinemia by drinking water is, I feel very very tough when I see these kind of words. Okay, now. Okay, so remember this, man. This is direct. Okay, now. Some in what is the NCRT value? It will be definitely. I don't remember. I'm saying I don't remember, and not required for a chemistry teacher also. This is completely by hearting thing. The compound in which carbon uses only its sp3 hybrid orbitals for bond formation is first option. You can see here like this. This is all are sp3 hybridized. Here COOH is there, gone. CHO is there, gone. CO is there, gone. All these are sp2. In Lassen's test, a Prussian blue color is obtained if the organic compound contains nitrogen. The Prussian blue color is due to ferric ferrocyanide. Direct memory question. You can check this ferric ferrocyanide on my YouTube. Which of the following chemical systems? 175 will stop. Okay. Which of the following chemical system is non-aromatic? This is aromatic. Due to lone pairs, it is aromatic. It is non-aromatic because two single bonds are side by side. So direct question, you can see and say the answer. Easy question. 167. Propine and propene can be distinguished by propine contains CH3C triple bond CH. Acidic hydrogen is there. So ammonical silver nitrate. A very good one. It gives white precipitate. It is not silver mirror. Remember, it is not silver mirror. It is a white precipitate. 168. Which alkene does not follow anti-Markovnikov addition rule? Which alkene does not follow anti-Markovnikov addition rule is no need in case of 2-butane. 2-butane, this compound is another 2-butene. Okay, it should be 2-butene. 2-butene, C double bond C, both are having same number of hydrogens. No need of any anti-Markovnikov or Markovnikov also. Calculate elevation in boiling point for 2 molar aqueous solution of glucose. It's very very simple. Delta TB is equal to KB into M, 0.5 into 2 is equal to 1. So simple question. Which of the following liquid pair shows a positive deviation from Raoult's law? Memory, complete memory. where the remaining options water hydrochloric acid negative deviation, water nitric acid negative deviation, both show high what you say azeotropes. Boiling point will be more for those azeotropes. Acetone chloroform, again acetone chloroform, a hydrogen bond is formed, so negative deviation. So all these are memory based things, you can remember all this. So ethanol water is the system which shows positive deviation. The number of atoms in 100 grams of an FCC crystal with density D is equal to and cell H is equals to. Okay, so use the simple formula. Density is equal to Zm by N naught A cube. Many problems are there. Direct formula based question. You can check it. From the given standard electrode potentials of two half cells, Fe plus 2 plus 2 electrons gives us Fe. This is a very, very regular question. Here you remember number of electrons are 2. So this must be multiplied by 2. The number of electrons are 3. This must be multiplied by 3. Delta G is equal to NF naught cell is the concept. Delta G is equals to minus NF naught cell, of course. And here based on this N is nothing but this number we are multiplying. So Fe gives rise to Fe plus 3 gives rise to Fe if it is the case. Fe plus 2 and Fe. Directly I am saying. Generally we apply here the rule. What is that? Hess law. Fe plus 3 to Fe it is given. Fe plus 3 to Fe it is given. It is 0 minus 0.036. So multiply with 3. Fe plus 3 to Fe plus 2 is asking for this only. So this is the question mark. And here it is minus 0.44 into 2 because 2 electrons change is there. So minus 0.036 into 3 is equal to question mark. Plus undali, plus it should be plus, and it is plus minus 0.44 into 2. My mother tongue is Telugu, so sometimes it happens. Next, 173, a reaction 50% completed in 2 hours, 75% completed in 4 hours. Then order of the reaction is straight thing. Okay, now first order reaction. 100 to 50 grams in 2 hours. 100 to 25 grams in again 2 hours. That means total 4 hours. So directly it is participating. That it is showing that it is first order reaction. The coagulation values in millimoles per liter of electrolytes used for coagulation of AS to S3 are given below. See, the values are given. Coagulation values, coagulation power are inversely related. You see, their coagulation power is. Okay, now when the coagulation power and coagulation values are given, they are exactly inversely proportional. Here minimum value is there, so this is strong. Then this one, then this one. Okay, now this is highest, this is lowest. So 174 answer should be 3 to 1. 175. We'll take a short break here after this question. Statement 1. In froth flotation process, collectors enhance non-wettability. Okay, and both statements are correct only. Hydrometallurgy involves dissolution of ore in a reagent followed by precipitation of metal. Direct statements of NCRT must read.